You ever just have a real shitty day? I had one of those yesterday. Let's see if we can get this on. Alright, see if we can do this without burning down my phone or the garage. So we're gonna load this shit onto the other shit. Hopefully that shit comes off. Oh, damn it, I forgot my gloves. Oh. Probably can't see anything. Well, shit. Oh. Oh, friggin' bugger to hell. Oh. Yeah. Let's do one more. Okay. Screw you. What a piece of... Oh. Too much. Too much. Will it hold? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Okay, good. Mission accomplished. Don't mind all the combustible stuff. I'll clean that shit up later. I think it was Albert Einstein who said to do something over and over again and expect a different result was the definition of insanity. Well, I don't know anything about that, but I sure hate these DC Delco filters. So I shouldn't use them anymore, and I don't request that you guys use them either. Where the frig did my pen go? A slight delay. That shit's gonna pour out, damn it. So, screw you, AC Delco.